Welcome to our video on how to force stop Telegram on your Android device. If you're experiencing issues with the app and need to force stop it, follow these simple steps to get back on track. First, navigate to your device's settings. You can usually find this in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear icon. Next, scroll down and look for the Apps option. This is where you can manage all of the apps installed on your device. Once you're in the Apps menu, scroll through the list until you find Telegram. Tap on the app to open its settings. In the Telegram app settings, look for the Force Stop option. It's usually located at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on it to force stop the app. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to force stop Telegram. Simply tap OK to confirm your action, and that's it. You've successfully force stopped Telegram on your Android device. This can help resolve any issues you may be experiencing with the app. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the process of force stopping Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.